Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily add your LG XBoom 360 XO3 speaker to your application. So firstly you have to install this application, which is called LG XBoom. Then you just have to tap open. Before this whole process I recommend to have your speaker paired with your phone. Here you have to tap agree and start and tap permission setting. Tap allow. Here battery setting allow. Notification setting allow. Setting and search for the LG XBoom and allow notification access. Allow. I left the application. Now we can go back, and as you can see, our application detected our speaker almost automatically. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.